I really like the hen dishes, but it's difficult to make a pincushion. They kind of look like they're sitting on an egg. So this is 3.5. It's a little bit more open on the bottom. I'm going to try to make this and see if I can make it small enough so you can actually get the lid on there. You can take a circle and you can shape it into an oval. Okay, I started with just my circle making the yo-yo. When I go to do my stuffing, I will try to make it a little more elongated. See if, well, I know that will work. You just have to shape the yo-yo around it and manipulate it. So let's see if we can get this to work in this dish though. It's fairly flat. Of course, it's going to puff up a little bit right now. So I'm going to try to not add too much more stuffing, although it's kind of soft. I am going to do a second running stitch. So basically, I am just shaping it in an elongated shape. You can cut an oval also. I just know that this is, when they're this small, this is one way that you can make it work. I do feel like it needs more stuffing, especially since that flower center is my center. So this end is not long enough yet. Need a little more space. So I'm just putting more of this into one end, not all the way around. Turn it around, put some in the other end. Then the other thing you can do to make it lay flatter is you can open up this opening and leave it, the wider you make the opening, the flatter you can make the pincushion. So if you have a shallow dish, you can open this up and you can flatten it out. It's getting there. It's still a little too puffy. That's the problem with the dish. Keep going though. Then the other thing that you can do, get it approximately the size you want. You can see it's not super, super tight, but then you can cross. And as you cross back and forth, in not up and down, just back and forth, you can help create that elongated shape. That fits more easily in a oval vessel. Kind of looks like a little egg. It's still a little on the puffy side. There wasn't as much stuffing in the center. It was a little softer here and more firm on the edges. So as I'm sewing the button on, I'm able to pull it and seat that button down a little bit and help decrease, hopefully, some of that puffiness. So finish this up and we'll put it in the dish again and see what it looks like. Fairly flat. It's more elongated. It's still a little tall, but the hen does seat okay on top of it.